viewers, I'm Advocate K.R. Rawat from Lexis and Company. Today we're going to talk about suits and exemptions from mandatory pre-institution mediation. Now, as Section 12 of the Commercial Codes Act 2015 Act mandates pre-institution mediation in a case of a commercial suit above a specified value unless the suit contemplates urgent interim relief. The Supreme Court of India in Ms. Patil Automation Private Limited versus Rakeja Engineer Private Limited Patil Automation case held that the pre-institution mediation is mandatory and any suit instituted violating the same must be rejected with effect of pre-institution mediation is mandatory and suit instituted violating the same must be rejected with effect from 20th August 2022. Our views on the same can be assessed here. However, there was no guidance on how the court will determine whether a suit contemplates urgent interim relief. Under Section 12A, seeks to balance the mandatory requirement of mediation between parties to a commercial dispute while protecting the rights of an aggrieved party to seek urgent interim relief so that the suit does not become infructuous. In this background, the Madras High Court in M.K. Varnath versus Mr. Prakash Babu Nikhoti Reddy Vartnan versus Reddy case considered the parameters of seeking urgent interim reliefs in a suit in which the pre-institution mediation would be required to be followed mandatorily. So, this was the case. Now, I would like to give you a brief regarding this case. The facts of the case was pursuant to an agreement. Mr. Varantha financed the purchase of audio-visual equipments and Mr. Reddy was to repay the finance amount. Now, on failure of Mr. Reddy to make payments, Mr. Varantha filed a suit before the Madras High Court seeking payment along with interest. While the suit was filed on 12th of August 2022, court fee was paid only on 30th August 2022. The court noted that the pre-institution mediation was not undertaken by the parties in respect. Mr. Varthan contended, number 1, pre-institution mediation was mandatory in the present case as the suit was instituted before the 20th of August 2022 effective date set in Patil Automation case, and number 2 was an urgent interim relief was sought in the matter, thereby exempting him from such mediation. Now, I hope you are clear with the exemption of pre-mediation and suits and exemption from the pre-mediation institution of mediation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like my video. Still, if you have any doubt regarding the mandatory pre-institution mediation, do let me know in the comment section. I'll clear up all your doubts regarding this particular topic. Thank you for watching my videos. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic.